Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here where the stage will be set up just in a little bit for the Plaza Jam tonight here on Cole Plaza beside Rockingham City Hall. This is the second concert of the 2023 series, and this is the 20th year of the Rockingham Plaza Jam series. The band tonight will be Chocolate Chip and Company. They are from South Carolina, and this is their second appearance on the Rockingham Plaza Jam schedule. Make sure to come out tonight at 6:30. It will be until 8:30, and vets will be on site with food, and also Kona Ice will have their sweet treats for dessert. There will be shirts for sale, and we encourage you to come enjoy the free outdoor concert. And bring a friend, bring a chair, bring a blanket, or however you would like to sit on the lawn and enjoy Chocolate Chip and Company. Before you come down to Cole Plaza tonight, stop by the RCC building downtown to meet the new Small Business Director, Anna Holloway. There will be a reception to welcome her at 5:30, courtesy of the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce. So after the reception, come on down to Cole Plaza after welcoming Anna Holloway to RCC as the new Small Business Director. Also in downtown Rockingham, Willow Tree and Company will be open all day today, tomorrow, and will be open Saturday until 2 p.m. for their June market days. Tonight in Hamlet has a talent that will be at 6 p.m. at Axe to Grind. On Friday the 2nd, Willow Tree and Company will be open for their June market day. That evening, Hudson Brothers will have Sandhills Acoustic. There will be beach bingo in Hamlet at Axe to Grind. Erik Hawks will be at Hail Mary's Tavern, and there will be karaoke at Double Vision in Rockingham. Saturday, June the 3rd, Rockingham Farmers Market will be set up downtown Rockingham in the old Food King parking lot. There will also be a big spring yard sale at Ideal Farms in Hamlet. That starts at 9 a.m. and lasts until 4 p.m. At Rockingham Dragway, they will start off early at 8 a.m. with Rugged Maniac. You can still sign up to see if you have what it takes to call yourself a Rugged Maniac. You can find that link on the Rockingham Dragway website or their Facebook page. That night, BowTie Karaoke will be in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern. On Sunday, June the 4th, Rockingham Dragway will have an open test and tune. You can find out the times and more information about that event on their Facebook page or website. And next weekend will be the return of the legacy event Civil Wars. This event features far more than just racing. There will be a car show presented by Richmond County Tourism. There will be a swap meet. There's live music both nights. Friday night will be Erik Hawks. Saturday night will be 2 covers, one for Jason Aldean and one for Luke Bryan. And the night will end with a fireworks show. You can purchase tickets in advance and save money on their website, or you can buy tickets at the gate the day of. It is $25 per day. On Monday, June the 5th, we have another huge event and celebration in our community. Hamlet Memorial Park will have their grand opening ceremony. There will be multiple special guests in attendance, including House Representative Ben Moss, who will be throwing the opening pitch. This starts at 6:30. You can find out more information online. We encourage everyone to come and support the reopening of the American Legion Memorial Park ball field in Hamlet. This is at 6:30 on Monday, June the 5th. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, make sure you are subscribed to our blog on visitrichmondcounty.com. On the homepage, you can scroll about midway down Enter your email address, make sure to confirm that subscription, and you will receive this information in your email. You can also add our Google Calendar to your calendar. That is located on the bottom of the homepage at visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on Twitter, Visit Richmond County, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC, so you get notifications when we post these videos every Thursday and you keep up with all the fun that is here in Richmond County. If we don't see you around or on Plaza tonight, or at the Dragway or at Rugged Maniacs, we will definitely see you next week.